Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change user licenses on Google Workspace through the Google Admin Console. This is essential when you need to adjust subscription levels for team members, whether you're upgrading someone to access more features or scaling back to a more basic plan. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This brings you directly to the Google Admin Console. You'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace Administrator account, as only admins have the permissions necessary to modify user licenses. Make sure you're using the correct admin credentials to access these settings. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. Before proceeding, take a quick look at the top left corner to verify you're in the correct organization unit if your workspace has multiple organizational structures. This ensures you're making changes in the right place. Now locate and click on the menu option, then select Directory from the options that appear. The Directory section is where you'll manage all your users and their associated settings. Within Directory, click on Users to pull up your complete user list. This list displays everyone in your workspace and allows you to make individual or bulk changes. In the users list, you have two options depending on your needs. If you're changing the license for a single user, simply click on their name to open their account page. If you need to change licenses for multiple users at once, use the checkboxes next to their names to select them all together, which saves considerable time for bulk updates. Once you've selected your user, look at the top bar and click More, then choose Assign Licenses from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you're viewing a single user's profile, you'll see a license section displaying their current licenses that you can click directly. In the license dialog that appears, you'll see all the services available in your workspace. Locate the specific service you want to modify, such as Google Workspace itself or individual services. Click the drop-down arrow next to it to reveal all available license types. Here's where you make the actual change. From the list of available licenses, select the one you want to assign to this user. For example, you might switch someone from Business Standard to Business Starter if they need fewer features, or upgrade them to Enterprise if they require advanced capabilities. Finally, click Assign or Save to apply the new license to the selected user. The change takes effect immediately, and the user will now have access to the features included in their new license level. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.